I know you're tired already. Alam kong pagod ka na. You're tired of fighting for your health. Tired of fighting for your family. I know most of you are tired already of fighting paulit-ulit. Mahirap pa rin kami, walang nangyayari. Hindi pa rin niya ako mapansin, wala pa rin validation. But always remember, the battle that you are in is not your battle. The battle that you're in is the Lord's battle. Si Lord ang kasama mo, He will fight for you. Napansin niyo ba that sometimes, instead of you choosing the battle is choosing you. Parang ikaw pinipili. Parang, kaya ko ba talaga yan, Lord? Sure ka ba? Kasi parang kung tayo lang makakapili ng problema, hindi mo ka naman kasi pipiliin yung mahirap eh. Naisip niyo ba yung buhay na kayo pumipili? I want this problem. I want this problem. Parang ako nagsha-shopping. I want this problem. And I want it mga January dumating ha. Huwag ng February. Fully book na ako. And sometimes that problem will choose you. Sa dami-dami ng pwedeng magka-cancer, ba't ikaw? Sa dami-dami ng pwedeng maghirap, ba't ikaw? Sa dami-dami ng pwedeng magkasakit, ba't ako? Yung kapitbahay ko, Lord, 20 years nang dapat namatay yun. Ako talaga? Halangang kaluluwa nun, Lord. Tapos ako laging nasa church. 3 p.m. service, 10 o'clock, nandun na ako. Bakit naman ako, Lord? Kasi madalas, hindi ka makakapili ng laban. Pero hindi ka man makakapili ng laban, pero sana piliin mo pa rin lumaban. Lord, I know, God, you are with me. And I know that I am not in this battle alone. Whenever you are waiting, whenever you are fighting your way for that breakthrough, fighting your way for that promise, always remember, God is with you.